We're in the Egyptian Spice Bazaar. You'll wonder why it's Egyptian. I don't know. It's called the Egyptian Spice Bazaar, and it's here in Istanbul. All the way down. All the way down. It really is a remarkable place, and what you want to do is come here and spend at least an hour. Bring money, because you can buy wonderful things here, from spices to Turkish delight to, well, have a look around. I'm going to show you. Come. That's the main entrance you will come in. And you walk up here and it branches into two directions. It continues there and it goes up into the Hagia Sophia area of Sultan Ahmed. It's a nice place to spend some time. Come on. And then suddenly you smell spice and Turkish delight. All kinds of different teas. And then boom, in the middle of nowhere, clothing and plates. Those Turkish plates are really lovely. Moving on, look at this. We have candy and dates and apricots and glazed pineapple. And look at all that stuff. Look at the loofahs hanging up there. So it really is a mixture of all kinds of fun things. Loofahs, loofah and Turkish delight in one place. Where do you ever see that? But that's what it is. And there as well, Sufi Bakharat, loofahs, stuff to scrub yourself. A little back I didn't show you, but they had hammam soap, where it's like eucalyptus and all kinds of things for scrubbing yourself and cleansing yourself and making yourself look good. Let's continue our walk. Here, coming up on the left-hand side, you will see baklava of all types, and it really good. That chocolate baklava, I never thought that I would ever like it. Since I've been in Istanbul, I have a box a day. That's just what happens. Look, that's why I don't do profile photographs. Baklava, and next is a pistachio with a thick honey syrup, a honey puree. Really, you probably know or don't that cats in Istanbul are a big thing. Cats don't have homes, they belong to everybody. They're on the street and everybody feeds them. Now they have these little stuffed cats here that you can buy, not real cats, because they're cushions. Give us a pan to that. Can we have a look at the cats? Really is quite sweet for a little souvenir to take home with you. And now look up, look at these fabulous vaulted ceilings. They really are terrific and high, and it makes it very cool in here, which is an added benefit. Here, all kinds of candies, delicacies, more baklava. And take a look in here. Pearl Turkish delight. It starts with all of the kinds of baklava. Goes all the way back to nuts are a very big thing. Turkish delight at the back. Fruits in that on this side, a glazed fruit, which is really good. Can't eat a lot of it though, and especially the apricots. If you eat too many apricots, you're going to be real careful. Now all of a sudden, jewelry and handbags. I don't think for a moment those handbags are authentic. And the lady just got in front of me. Ramazan Kanbaz Locum store. Look at all the teas. Pomegranate tea. I'm looking for pomegranate tea with a real sore heart, but I want it in tea bag form because I can see it all over, but it's available only in individual form, and I'm just not in the mood to brew it like that. Come over here, I want to show you honey. Look at the honey, and honey is on the comb. I don't know if you've ever seen that. I remember eating that as a child. Honey on the comb. It's of course the wax comb from the bees, from the beehives. There goes a tea guy. more baklava and spices and all things nice. Really good. So if you look on both sides, you're going to see everything that I'm telling you about. Baklava, candy, things that make you feel good, things that make you feel special. Pink rose tea, pomegranate flower tea, lavender, and then look at the spices: meat spice, salad spice, chicken spice, Anatolia spice, and all of these regular kind of candy things, natural dried fruits again, and my favorite, baklava, including the chocolate baklava. I love that stuff. Is it going to give you the top 10 of everything that you have to see while you're in this gorgeous city? But it's going to give you insider tips of what to do. Bearing in mind, we've spent a long time here researching and walking and walking and walking and walking so that your trip is an enormous success. I'll reiterate, my first visit here was in 1983. It's now 2024 and this is my 10th trip here and my longest to date. But when I return to the United States, I will be so well equipped to tell you everything you need to know about Istanbul for your visit for 2025 and beyond, because everything I'm doing right now is super up to date, super now, very much now. I want to take you to one more place, which is over there. The other day I came through and the young fellow gave me a sweet, a candy, a chocolate. Man, I don't know what it was raspberry or something, but it was so good and I can't get the taste out of my mouth. Well, of course I can, but I can't get it out of my mind, and I want to go there and buy some to take home with me this evening. So let's go and have a look here. What is it? Blackberry. I want to try one because I think that's the one I want. You have really better than that. I have a lot of blackberry. God, this is so good. This is the one I had the other day. And I came back to, oh God, I want to buy some now. So you look around. I'm going to go shopping. Oh, come with me if you want to come shopping. 73. Okay, so here I am in shop 73. Look at this. Okay, that is a delight for the senses. What I did buy was, come here. These. Marco, what's inside again?
This is pomegranate, blackberry and chocolate.
This is so good. If you come to shop 73 and get these pomegranate chocolate, Jesus, they're good. I've taken a whole box to eat. I will be back several times before I return to the US to stock up. Another thing I got was these little crystals that you put in water. It's just one crystal, and it's like the strongest charge of menthol goes through your head and opens everything that is there. I don't even know what the hell is there, but it opens it all up. Come and have a look. You'll see them here.
You live in Italy.
Yeah, crystal menthol, and you should get this too. If you have sinus things or whatever, or you just need to relax, because my goodness, that's not going to kill you or cure you, but it will relax you. That I assure you. And then finally, I got pomegranate tea. Everywhere I've seen it, it's loose leaf, and I don't like that. But I found them with sticks, so you can just take one stick and pop it in a cup of water, boiling water, and let it brew, and that really is fantastic. So, shop number 73, ask for Marco. He's kind of half Turkish, half Italian. Ask for Marco, and he will take care of you and give you what you need. What
Smell again.
Smell again.
Let me show you. Just water.
Ah, okay. This is just water, boiling water.
Just like drops. Now.
Was that, what is that? Menthol again?
Menthol.
Yo! It's good. The first inhalation is such a shock to your brain. You're like, what the hell have I just done? But it does open everything up, seriously, and it's good. Oh, it's not, these expressions are good. They're not. It's not ew. It's oh wow. Let's ask the camera guy. I'm gonna stick it behind the camera and have him there have a smell. Hold on. Take a sniff. And he's collapsed. So we'll go out.
Like,
Cheers.
share,
Come,
subscribe,
stop
and click the notification button